So we're going to talk about some crystals that can help support viruses, respiratory, flu, and fever, which is going around right now. So you can use this as a complementary method of healing. So the first thing we're going to talk about is viruses, and fluorite is good for viruses. So you would place it on your body. Ameythst. Oops. Ameythst is also good for viruses. Amber. Pyrite. So now some crystals that are good for the flu. Again, the fluorite. Labradorite. Moss agate. And so some crystals that are good for cough. Aquamarine. Amber. Amber's good for lots of things. So is fluorite. Ametrine. Ametrine is amethyst and citrine together. Blue agate. This is blue lace agate. So you could place this on your throat for coughing. Rose quartz. And so for respiratory, again, amethyst is good for respiratory. Rhodochrosite. Candle quartz. Lapis. This one's a cube. And so, let's see, for fever, let's see, this is ruby. This is actually a record keeper ruby. blue Chalcedony, Chiastolite, Carnelian, Hematite, red Jasper, what have I missed? Larimar, and this is Shungite. Shungite's good for viruses and infections. Also Kyanite. There's other crystals too. I have some Kyanite. This is a blue Kyanite, a blade. And then I have black Kyanite too. I'll show you a piece of that. Oops. Those are crystals you can keep on your person, in your pocket. You can put them in a little pouch. If you're a lady, you can put them in your bra or a little medicine bag. You can tape them onto your body parts, like for fever, across the forehead, if you're coughing, at the throat or on the chest. Anyway, these are some crystals that can assist you with some of the things that are going on now. Thanks for watching.